A big hello and a very warm welcome to a very special episode of Brand Equity called Vote India with me, Sonali Krishna. Now, as we approach the polls, we at Brand Equity decided to launch a special initiative. The context being that India is a secular democratic republic and the largest democracy in the world. What is key is that voters' participation in this democratic and electoral process is integral to the successful running of any democracy and the very basis of wholesome democratic elections. This is really an endeavour on the part of Brand Equity and ET Now to get citizens of India to cast their vote. So we invited 3 top-notch advertising agencies and asked them to use their ingenuity and create campaigns that would motivate India at large to go out there and cast their vote. The 3 participating agencies being Publicis, Leo Burnett and McCann. The 3 campaigns will then be scrutinised by an expert panel, and joining us later on the show to discuss, deliberate and debate the 3 campaigns are none other than Akshay Raut, Director General, Election Commission of India, Milind Deora, Union Minister of State for IT and Communications, a congressman, Anupam Kher, a renowned actor who has appeared in nearly 470 films and 100 plays, whose wife Kiran Kher is a BJP candidate, Amitabh Kant, Secretary, Industries, Government of India and architect of Incredible India and God's Own Country's campaigns. And last but not the least, Piyush Pandey, the advertising veteran, who is the Executive Chairman and National Creative Director, Ogilvy and Mehta India. Also, what is noteworthy about the special initiative is that the winning campaign will be presented by ET Now to the Election Commission of India to use as their own and help spread the message of how crucial voting is. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to sit back, relax, as the first agency to present its campaign is none other than Publicis India. Let the show begin.
For Team Publicis, the idea behind its campaign was the general nonchalance and indifference of the Indian voter.
Blame it to the politicians.
Excuses vary from, I don't believe in our politicians, it doesn't matter who I vote for, all leaders are corrupt, I don't have the time to get myself a voter's card, or who wants to waste a well-earned holiday. Publicis' intention with this ad is to remind every Indian to take ownership and understand their responsibility to vote. After all, it's all about power to the people.
The whole thing is that just make people aware that if you have an opinion, if you believe things going wrong, well, a large part of the blame is yours.
मिस्टर कामत, 500 करोड़ के स्कैम का जवाब आप नहीं देंगे तो और कौन देगा?
आम आदमी को इस महंगाई से आखिर कब छुटकारा मिलेगा? दिन ब दिन रेट की वारदातें बढ़ रही हैं। महिलाओं की सुरक्षा के लिए आप क्या कर रहे हैं?
क्रिमिनल्स को टिकट देना कब बंद करेंगे आप? बताइए कब?
आप चुप क्यों हैं? जवाब दीजिए मिस्टर कामत। बताइए मिस्टर कामत, बताइए।
मिस्टर कामत, अब जुबान पे ताला क्यों लग गया?
पर आप मुझसे क्यों पूछ रहे? मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया।
वही तो, आपने कुछ किया ही नहीं।
वोट करना आपकी जिम्मेदारी है। इससे मुंह मोड़ेंगे तो सवाल आप पे भी उठेंगे।
That was Publicis, led by Bobby Pawar and Partha Sinha, and their idea being to tap into the angst of the middle class, but with a twist. A different take on the middle class, asking them to be accountable. Well, it's now time for Leo Burnett to strut their stuff right here. Here's Leo Burnett's pitch on how to ensure maximum participation on polling days.
This is a campaign which we are doing for Economic Times ET Now. आपको उधारी देनी है गवर्नमेंट को और आप वापस ही मांग।
How do you reach out to the masses? That's the question Leo Burnett's team posed to itself. And words like parody, humor and jingles echoed across the boardroom. And that's exactly what the agency incorporated in its film.
All the politicians are coming and making funny promises.
It's a humorous, sing-along parody of some of India's leading political figures and their signature styles.
We have given lots of entertainment, and then what we try to portray in the commercial is all political parties and all politicians, they understand the power which you possess. Only if you were to understand the power which you possess, then you will be able to exercise your power in a better way.
What's up, dude? वादा है कि अरेंज मैरिज इलीगल कर दूंगा, कॉलेज बंकिंग, बाइक पर ट्रिपलिंग लीगल कर दूंगा। हमारी कोई औकात नहीं है। उधारी पे होगा युवाओं का हक, ढाबे खोलेंगे सुबह 4 बजे तक। हमारी कोई औकात नहीं है।
डेटिंग और डिस्को अलाउंस मिलेगा, पब्लिकली रोमांस का चांस मिलेगा। बाबा तुम भी कुछ बोलो।
मी टू, टैटू।
वैलेंटाइन डे को नेशनल हॉलीडे होगा, सबको आईपैड मिलेगा। अरे बाबा पेट्रोल, इंटरनेट, PS4 फ्री। 10 मिनट में पिज्जा डिलीवरी।
They know the power of your vote. Do you? Dear 12 crore first-time voters, we are more than the number of votes the winning party got in the last election. Take a note. Cast your vote.
That was Leo Burnett, led by K.V. Sridhar, popularly known as Pops. Leo Burnett's concept really revolves around caricaturing politicians and using humour to drive home the point. We've seen both Publici and Leo Burnett pitch their campaigns, and now it's time for McCann to take centre stage and showcase their pitch. McCann has presented a total of 4 commercials. The first 2 revolve around the same theme. The latter 2 are completely different ideas. Over to you, McCann.
Team McCann was divided and decided to create 4 different ads for Brand Equity's special initiative. The first theme, a comedic approach appealing to voters to make intelligent and informed decisions when they cast their vote. The other 2 themes being more direct and hard-hitting, an attempt to get first-time voters to stand up and take notice.
When the brief came to us, I think the whole team felt that we need to jolt people out of inertia, and we have to make them realize how important is their vote, because I think there is a tendency to feel that my vote does not make a difference, and that's the reason the solutions are reflecting that.
Like, I agree, but there's not a single decent looking politician here. I mean, look at all of them. It's like Buddho ka overdose. How can they make India look so bad, yeah? I really don't. Now look at him. He's just so cute and charming. He's so young. He speaks so well, yeah. He's just... You ever heard him speak? Yeah. I saw that video, but I felt so bad for him. I mean, imagine someone badgering you like that, yeah? Even you would fumble. Even I would fumble, yeah. That's so human. That's why I like him. He's just so cute. And I love his dimples. They're just so cute.
यार इस डेमोक्रेसी को ना हम बहुत ज्यादा सीरियसली लेते। मैं तो कहता हूँ सभी फसाद की जड़ यही है बस। इसकी सुनो उसकी सुनो, सबको सुनने के चक्कर में क्या हो रहा है, झेल रहे हैं ना हम लोग। मैं तो कहता हूँ किसी मर्द के हाथ में दे देना चाहिए था, ये सब लाइन पे आ जाएंगे। बहुत साल पहले ही दे देना चाहिए था। मेरे दादाजी कहा करते थे, छड़ी बाजे छम छम विद्या आए घम घम। बस टीका ही ठीक है।
आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं, आ चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं, एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहां गम भी ना हो, आंसू भी ना हो, बस प्यार ही प्यार पले, एक ऐसे गगन के तले।
आज हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं एक ऐसा बेहतरीन ऑफर जैसे ना आपने कभी सुना होगा ना देखा होगा। नो नीड टू बाय एनीथिंग, नो स्क्रैच कार्ड, नो लकी ड्रॉ। एक ब्रांड न्यू कार आपको मिल सकती है बिल्कुल मुफ्त। बस एक सिंपल सा काम करना है, इस सिलेक्शन वोट कीजिए, हमें अपनी वोट की इंक लगी हुई उंगली दिखाएं और इस शानदार कार घर ले जाएं बिल्कुल मुफ्त। अगर ऐसा होता तो वोट जरूर करते ना। थोड़ी शर्म करो, वोट करो।
That was McCann, led by Akshay Kapnadak, Abhinav Tripathi and Ravinder Sivach. 3 different themes and a total of 4 commercials. On that note, it's time for a short break, but I suggest all of you digest these campaigns, as up next, I'm joined by a very esteemed panel who will scrutinize these 3 campaigns and name one agency as the winner. Stay tuned.